back to Desires of Fashion. Hope you have a wonderful day and hope you are good and make sure you stay safe. Today I'll be showing you on how to cut a butterfly sleeve. This is going for a single sleeve and this is going for the two sleeves. So the first thing I'll be folding here is for a single sleeve. So the first thing you do is to fold it into two this way, then into four like this, then into four. The next thing is to determine the length of the sleeve. So the length of my sleeve here is 6 inches and the roundness of this area where we're going to attach to the armhole is 20 inches. So to determine the 20 inches now, I'll be using 3 inches. When you have your 3 inches here, so then I'm going to connect the lines together. This is after connecting the line. So let's see what we have. This is 5 inches. So 5 in 4 places is going to give me 20 inches for the armhole. So after then, we're going to determine the length of the sleeve. We're using 6 for the length of the sleeve. 6 inches. 6 inches here too. You can see this area is 6 inches. Then 6 inches. That means this is how we're going to cut it. And this is also 6 inches here. Then I'm going to connect my lines together. This is after connecting the lines together. Then the next thing here is to cut it out, and that is where we're going to get a single butterfly sleeve. So when I open it, you see the shape. You can see it. This is a circle. Now this is a butterfly sleeve. Then I'm going to cut it at, you might cut it at one edge if you want to cut it, and you can decide to attach it to the armhole this way without cutting it. And you can see it. So now let me show you the second butterfly circle. Here we will be cutting the both sleeve at once. So the first thing you do is to fold it into two. This is into two, as you can see. So I'm using, you can use any length, it depends on the length of your circle. This is the length I'm using here is 28.5 inches, as you can see. So I'll be folding it into two this way. This is into two, as you can see. Then into four. You can see it. This is into four. The first step was into two. Then the second step is into four. Then into 8. You can see the folding. So let me refold it for you to see. This is into 2 first. And the next thing is into 4. This method, you can achieve the butterfly sleeve for the 2 sleeves at once. This is into 4, then into 8. So the next thing is to take your measurement, like the way we did when we were cutting this. So as you know that this was folded into 4, then this is into 8 places. So we will be using the same measurement you used at the first sleeve. So we use 3 inches from up here, 3 inches, 3 inches, 3 inches. Then I'll be connecting my lines together. So after connecting the lines together, the next thing is to take the length measurement. This is 6 inches. 6 inches. Six inches. Then 6 inches. Then I'll be connecting the lines together. So this is it. After this now, I'll be cutting it out. Can you see? Then I'm going to open it. You can see it. This is the first one and this is the second one. So this is the butterfly sleeve. Cutting the 2 sleeve at once. This tutorial is based on request, and if you are watching me for the first time, make sure you subscribe to my channel and on the notification bell so that whenever I upload video, you're going to be notified. You can also follow me on TikTok at Diza_fashion because I used to upload some tips about sewing on it. See you in my next class. Bye.